Alright, what's up y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and this is a quick little cook. Something I just want to see. Just checking some stuff out that I had up in the pantry. I'm taking this Ohana Volcanic Legend right here. This stuff is good. I'm pairing it with this Kinder's brown sugar. Everybody knows what's up with Kinder's. And then I'm going to be saucing this bad boy with Berry Market Boysenberry BBQ Sauce. If you don't know what this is straight up Knott's Berry Farms barbecue sauce. And it is boysenberry because Mrs. Knott's was known for her boysenberry pies. And if you want to know the history on that, look it up or go to the place. Alright, so we rolling. We sitting at a good 225 on the Char-Griller Legacy, rolling on that Kingsford. And we're going to throw these bad boys on here just like that there. And we're going to sit here and let these bad boys, I'm going to smoke them up, and then when they start getting close to done, like close to 165 or whatever, 170, then I'm going to go ahead and throw them on some direct heat so we can get some color, get some char, get some sizzle on that skin there. So some of these bigger ones I'm going to be throwing closer to the fire. Because they're bigger. And then there was one that I had and the skin came off in the packet. It was stuck to that little pad that they put on there. So I think I'm gonna throw this one over here on direct because that's gonna be done first. And since we're rolling with all this good chili, I'm gonna add one of them in there, Kingsford flavor boosters with cumin and chili. So we're gonna go ahead and shut that down just like that down. And then I'm gonna crack open my thing at the bottom, just like that there. And I'm just gonna lay that bad boy in there. You know, when you've been doing this long enough, you can do that and don't worry about burning yourself real bad. Alright, so we're running a little hot. I noticed this bad boy jumped up to like, I mean not really, it's like at 275. And I'm gonna come out here and give a look. A little piece that I knew was gonna get done first, that the skin came off on. You see that juice running all down there. Just throw that right there so we can get some love from that heat. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over since they're looking a little dry right there. I'm not gonna spray. I don't see no need for that. I don't think I ever sprayed chicken before anyway. I think I basted some with some butter, but I never sprayed chicken like that. And I know people like to mop it, and ain't nothing wrong with that because I'm starting to appreciate the good old mop sauces. And so we're gonna flip that over. This bad boy, I checked the temp, man. It was clocking in at like 171. So I know that's done, and I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get a taste. Let this cool off and get a taste of this. This bad boy then rested, looking good, nice color. See all the, well, there you go. See all the juices running. Let's get a little piece here. It's looking good. See a little. What I want to see is, you know, I want to see if I had a little smoke ring action up in there. But as you can see, it is juicy. So Alright, so we're approaching that like 2-hour mark, and Keenan went out here and spreaded the coals out a little bit and put this skin down so we can get some crispiness on that skin here. As you can see, a little flare up right there, but that's fine because we out here cooking. So I just want to get some crispiness on that skin. I'm gonna move them over now, just to break down that fat a little bit so we can get some bite through. And I'm gonna move these bad boys over like this right, man, those is looking good. I didn't check the temp, but they should be pretty well. Lucky I got a tray right there. Flies is gonna love that little spot that dropped. Anyway, I'm not even gonna edit that out because that's what we do. We're really cooking. Now it's time for this Berry Market Boysenberry BBQ Sauce. I actually used this before in the video on some, and I think I used it on some ribeyes. Straight, just some ribeyes with this, and it was on point. And you can see, I don't know if you can see in that bottle, but you can see all them chilies and stuff right there. So this definitely got a little kick to it. Nice color. And we're gonna go ahead and paint these up just like that. Get them nice little glaze, let it set. Fly, I know you've seen that. I don't know what it is with flies, man, like the bothers when we cooking, like we around heat. The flies still be flying close to the heat. I wish one of them would just explode. That would be funny. It'd be nasty too, but it would definitely be funny. And hopefully other flies are watching and they be like, hey, you know, Derek went over there and flying around Keenan while he was cooking, got too close to the grill and blew up. So we might not want to do that. So we got these bad boys painted up. Nice little glaze of the boysenberry. And I moved these bad boys back to indirect. So I'm pretty sure they're clocking in over 160. I know some of these smaller ones are. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this sauce set. And I'm gonna come out here and glaze it again once it's set. I like to do a double glaze. Once it's set, I glaze it again. And then I flip it and then repeat the process like 2 to 3 times, depending on my protein. All right, so I'm gonna let this set up and then we're gonna be back with a taste test and I'm gonna clean up this mess. All right, back in a minute. All right, so here they go. Straight thighs. You know, thighs is like my blank canvas. You know, you can see them chilies and the spices up in that barbecue sauce right there. Let me get that to focus. There we go, look at that. Now that sauce, you know, if you ain't been to Knott's Berry Farm and got this sauce or tried it at the restaurant because they're known for their fried chicken, they serve this sauce on some chicken meatballs that is on point. So these are my thighs, and I'm just, you know, running through the pantry to see, hey, what may go together. And first I picked up the Ohana Volcanic Legend. Look at that. That stuff is good, and it does pack some heat. You can see all them chilies up in there. And I'm like, you know what, I need something sweet, something that's not going to salt it out. So I went on ahead and grabbed Kinder's Brown Sugar Rub. Kinder's got some good stuff out there. And I'm not a sauce dude. Okay, I usually don't sauce anything, but when I come across something like this, and I got this thanks to my boy Francisco in La Cocina. He took his grandson there, and I was telling him about the sauce, and he grabbed me a bottle. So, and in return, I made him a rub. So it was all good. But Francisco, appreciate it because my bottle was gone. And I definitely wanted some more, and he hooked me up. So that right there is from Knott's Berry Farm. As you can see, the whole history behind that. And like I said, look it up or just go on down there. It's a nice little spot, nice little family spot. And be sure to get the chicken meatballs, the fried chicken, and the biscuits. Let me wipe off my glasses. All right, here we go. We'll go ahead and grab me a thigh here. And we're gonna get right in that part right there that's supposed to be eaten. Skin was bite through. That is a really good combination. I know I got sauce all on my lips. These two things didn't have sauce on them, but I didn't want to leave them out. Yeah, this is a good combination right here. I wasn't scared that anything was going to cancel each other out. I wasn't scared that it was going to be too salty, being that I tried all these separately on other proteins. I just know it'll work well together, so I can't wait to see what I come up with next. And I really need to wipe this sauce off my lips. I can feel it. I can't wait to get in there to see what I come up with next and just try to pair something up and put together a combination I never tried before. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when your boy's dropping new content. And as always, be safe, be smart, you know, be careful out there, and be cool with everybody. All right. Thanks for checking me out. It's Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan. Y'all be cool.